Good morning student. It's 29th May, class 5, English. This is the English book, The English Channel. In our previous classes, we start the chapter number 3, Washing Clothes with my mom. The exercise part already done. Today we learn the household items help us save time and effort. Before start today's class, let's we revise our yesterday's class. So in yesterday's class, we learned using some, any, and much, many. Read these sentences. Mom and dad scraped together some money to buy a clothes dryer. Is there any work that I can do for you? Here, some is used with uncountable nouns or plural countable nouns to mean an amount of when the amount is not specified. Then use the some. And any is used with uncountable or plural nouns in negative sentences and question. We see it here any is used with the question negative sentence or question. Is there any work that I can do for you? Now read this sentence. How much paperwork does Dad do? I have saved many coins. Here in first sentence much is used with uncountable nouns and in second sentence many is used with countable nouns. And the exercise, fill in the blanks with some, any, much or many. So first one is how many people are coming for the picnic. And second one is how much sugar do you want in your tea? Number 3, they don't have any children. Number 4, I got some presents for my birthday. Number 5, many animals are endangered. Number 6, I have some good news for you. Now start today's class. Work in pairs. Take turns to talk about how these household items help us save time and effort. First, we see a picture of vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner cleans floors, carpets and curtains. And second picture is the refrigerator keeps food cold to prevent spoiling. And number 3 is a picture of geyser, heats water for washing and bathing. And number 4 picture we say it's an oven used for baking and heating food. It helps us to heat the food and baking also. And this is the picture of water filter. It purifies impure water. And the last one is a food processor. It shreds, blends, chops or slices food. So we learn how these household items help us and use in our daily life. Vacuum cleaner, refrigerator, geyser, oven, water filter and food processor. and today I give you some spelling. Spell it and memorize it first, then write down on your notebook. First, vacuum. VACWM. VACWM, vacuum. Then cleaner. CLEANER, cleaner. Floor. FLOOR, floor. Carpet. CARPET, carpet. Refrigerator. REFRIGERATOR, refrigerator. Prevent. PREVENT, prevent. Spoil. SPOIL, spoil. Vacuum, cleaner, floor, carpet, refrigerator, prevent and spoil. First spell and then write down on your notebook.